In this video, you'll learn how to connect your GoDaddy domain to GitHub Pages. This process will allow you to host your personal or project website using a custom domain name, enhancing your online presence. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to GitHub's homepage. Look for the address bar at the top of your browser and type in www.github.com. Once the page loads, you should see the GitHub logo along with several options to sign in or create an account. Next, locate the sign in button at the upper right corner of the page. Click on it to proceed to the sign in screen. If you already have an account, enter your credentials and click sign in to access your GitHub account. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one before continuing. After successfully signing in, you will be directed to your GitHub dashboard. Look for the home option in the navigation bar at the top of the page. Click on home to see your repositories and other options available to you. Once on the home page, you will find a section labeled top repositories. This area displays all your repositories. Click on the repository you want to link to your GoDaddy domain. Ensure you select the correct repository, as this will be the site associated with your domain. Now that you have opened your repository, look for the settings tab located near the top of the repository page. Click on settings to access various configuration options for your repository. After entering the settings page, scroll down the left sidebar until you find the pages option. Click on Pages to open the GitHub Pages settings. This section will allow you to manage how your site is published. On the Pages settings page, you will see a section labeled GitHub Pages. This section contains important information about how GitHub Pages works. Here, you can find options to configure your deployment. Next, locate the Build and Deployment section. Click on it to expand the options related to how your site is built and deployed. This is where you will set your source for the GitHub Pages. Within the Build and Deployment section, find the Source drop-down menu. Click on it to view the available options for how your site will be built. You can choose either GitHub Actions or Deploy from a branch. Select the option that best fits your needs. If you selected GitHub Actions, you will see a confirmation of your choice. This option allows you to automate the deployment of your site. Ensure that you have the necessary configurations set up for GitHub Actions to work correctly. Next, look for the custom domain option on the same page. Click on it to enter the domain you purchased from GoDaddy. Type your GoDaddy domain name into the field provided. Double check for any typos to ensure accuracy. After entering your domain, find the Enforce HTTPS checkbox. Click on this box to enable HTTPS for your custom domain. This step is crucial for securing your website and ensuring that visitors have a safe browsing experience. You may see a message indicating that HTTPS is required for your site. This is standard when using a custom domain with GitHub Pages. Review the message and confirm that you understand the requirements. At this stage, you may need to configure your GoDaddy domain settings, log into your GoDaddy account, and navigate to your domain's DNS settings. Point to GitHub Pages, usually through CNAME or A records. Finally, check that everything is set correctly. It may take some time for DNS changes to propagate, so be patient. You can test your setup by entering your custom domain in a new browser tab to verify that it directs to your GitHub Pages site. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.